Guys, what we have here is a next generation Buick Enclave. And boy, does it looks quite different. I mean, yes, it's sharp, beautifully designed, and exceptional detail. But let's talk about this. Now, Buick's decided to use Super Cruise hand-free driver assist throughout the whole lineup. 30-inch diagonal premium ultra-wide display, which is going to be standard. Complete Buick updated internal combustion engine portfolio. This is the complete, which means it's not going to be no more internal combustion engines any longer. The next generation 2025 Enclave is a flagship SUV. Exceptional design, nice finishes, technologies, Super Cruise, which we talked about earlier, uh, driver assistance systems. Now, today, the Enclave is the latest technology to launch with the Buick new design, Ethos. That started with the Wildcat EV concept and provides even more premium finishes and amenities, including the ultra-wide 30-inch diagonal screen, which I mentioned earlier. And Buick is pretty proud of that. Now, with the launch of the Enclave flagship SUV, the internal combustion engine whole thing is now complete. It's going to be refreshed for all new vehicles. And that's according to the vice president of Buick and General Motors. Now, the premium and sculptural design of the Enclave strikes a confident stance in any predicament or any urban scene, any mall. The technologies throughout elevate the driving experience, coupled with the luxury finishes, a new standard for the brand, for the segment, exceptional design. And when I saw it for the first time, I did think it was exceptional myself. Now, the next generation Enclave upgrades to the grille, the front and the rear fascia, pure philosophy, purity in design, unexpected details, refined finishes, and exceptional executions. What an SUV, folks. When you look at the outside, it does have that striking, nice finish. And it does remind me of the Huracan, like I said earlier. Not the Huracan, but the Urus. In the design of Lamborghini. I don't know why I say that, but when I first saw it, I thought it. And it does look quite sharp. I mean, it stands, the back end, the sides, the exhaust tips, everything about it is awesome. Now, this is just the outside, folks. This thing's supposed to have when I say thing, this SUV is going to have the blind zone steering assist, intersection automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, lane keep assist, and departure warnings. And some of the stuff you can even see in the grill. It is something else, folks. The 2025 Enclave has 3 trims, and Buick is pretty excited about its design. I don't know how you guys feel about it. I think it's sharp. Look at the lighting signature and how they came on. Even the backlighting reminds me of the Audi and how it has a lighting signature. Bose sound system, and the interiors, the finishes, and the leather. The steering wheel is nice design, folks. It's something really, really different. And it appears to have cooled and heated seats. And that's why you see the little perforations in there. Sort of tells me that it's going to be cooling. Not sure on that. But the pipes, the way that the door cards, the steering wheel, again, like I said earlier, it's very, very sharp. So the screens, the door locks, the The little silver design, the wood inlays in the interior, it's quite sharp. The way the steering wheel, the leather wrapped, all the buttons on the steering wheel, the air conditioning system, the HVAC. And the trim above it. You got the knob in the middle, very clean, very elegant looking, exceptionally built. It has walk-up animation, rain sense wipers, ventilated front seats, a massaging feature, heated second row, outboard seats, the cup holders as you can see here. And those seats in the back also has heated features. Panoramic sunroof, the lift gate, which of course is powered. Nice room in the back. You even have something to hide your belongings. You have 3 places to put a child seat, the tethers, as you can see. And you still have that nice OLED screen. The lock and unlock. You have 3 settings for the seats, for the driver's seat. You have the armrest, as you can see here. So everything is, it appears to be crafted very nicely. Modern day vehicles are like exceptional nowadays. And the space in this is just exceptional. The interior is really clean. You got a place to put your purse in the front, as you can see there. But again, you got the different colors, the ambient lighting, as you can see he's setting there. The Buick Enclave on the steering wheel. This is something nice, folks. Something really, really nice. Compartment to put your belongings, the handrests, and the cup holders, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear. Massage features in the seats. In the back, you got a nice HVAC system too for the right and left passenger. And again, you even have where you operate the cruise. You see the green light come on, so when you set the cruise control, and you see she set the speed and the lane change. It's definitely nice and clean. And it's watching the eyes. And make sure you don't fall asleep. That's what that warning is. To get some coffee. This is definitely something nice, folks. Something really, really nice. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.